Okay, hello everybody. So welcome to another microwaved meals episode. And today we are using this microwave cookbook by Kenmore. It was a book that was delivered with, if you bought a new microwave, if you bought a Kenmore microwave, you get this microwave book for like as a bonus for getting it, so you have some recipes to use in your new microwave. So it has a French side and it also has a English side because of Canada, and we're going to be using the English side here, obviously. Today we're doing this recipe here. It's mustard topped cauliflower. So what you're going to need for this recipe is, first thing, you need one medium head of cauliflower, a third of a cup of water, so half a cup of mayonnaise. We need some mustard as well, because this is mustard topped cauliflower. It says grated cheddar or Swiss cheese, so we're going to be using cheddar here. Some onion, this will be that, and then we need some paprika to top it with when it's all said and done. So that's everything that you're going to need for this recipe. First thing we have to do is just prepare this cauliflower here. So we've got cauliflower, and so this cauliflower has some black stuff on there. I'm just gonna slice that off, just that whole area, because it looks kind of messed up. Then just tear off this stuff so I can get a nice clear shot at the stem with the knife. Just chop that guy off there. I mean, yeah, I don't think that needs to be a lot better than that. So there's our cauliflower. It's already washed. We washed it before. So just take that over to our microwave safe casserole dish. We're just going to add the water on there. Good. And now we are going to go over and just heat this guy up in the microwave. Okay, so now that our, just gonna do a quick tenderness test on the cauliflower there. That looks all, yeah, I'm just gonna avoid that area. It looks like the cauliflower got kind of, even though it was rotating, it looks like it kind of got zapped and just maybe just one area there. So either way, we'll check for tenderness quickly. Just the old fork. Oh yeah, that boy's tender. So probably just pop this sucker right out. Just get rid of him completely. There we go. Yeah, now that looks a lot healthier. Still a little burnt up there, but it's very minor. So yeah, I'm gonna go back over and finish with the sauce for the mustard cauliflower. Okay, so we're back over here. We've we've got our nice hot cauliflower ready to go. And for the next instruction, it just says combine all the remaining ingredients except cheese and paprika. So that's going to be, I guess I'll start us off with a half cup of mayonnaise here. Just use this guy. And half a cup will take us up to, okay, it's a lot of mayonnaise. Then we want 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion here. So just move that aside. Got the onion. I imagine that's probably about like that much onion or so. It's like, what does it say again? A tablespoon. That'll probably become about roughly a tablespoon when it's chopped up. So I'm just gonna do I don't know exactly how fine they want it, but I think that's probably pretty close. Maybe that's a little more than so. Yeah, that's probably about a tablespoon, I'd say. So we'll just put that in there. All that mayonnaise. Then 2 teaspoons of mustard. So I'm just gonna. So oh, mayonnaise got on my hands, so it's all oily on the. It's hard to get it open. Okay, there we go. That's probably about 2-ish teaspoons or so. I think. Put that in there, and I guess what else do I need in here? Then yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. So I guess just mix this guy up. Now it just wants me to basically just spoon this over the top of the cauliflower. Really get it all over there. Okay, and that seems about good to me. Now, just before we go over there, we're just gonna quickly just grate a little bit of cheese because we're gonna add that on right when it comes out of the microwave, right when it's hot. Yeah, so I think that's probably enough cheese to cover that. It says 2/3 of a cup. I mean, now we're just gonna wrap this guy up and then go back over to the microwave. Okay, so we're back at the microwave. We've got our cooked cauliflower with the mayonnaise, mustard stuff on it. And then we also have our cheese and we have some paprika. So the book actually says combine the remaining ingredients and then mix them, which we did here, and then sprinkle with cheese and paprika. So I got that backwards, but no harm, no foul. We just put that on right now on it. All right, that's good enough. Okay, so then we're just gonna put that little bit of paprika on there, and I'm just gonna eyeball this, just kind of sprinkle it on there like that, kind of give it a little bit of a, you know. And yeah, so it says microwave this uncovered for 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna err on the side of caution and do 3. All right, so that's done. There we have the oh, it smells so fucking bad. I mean, the cauliflower cheese brain thing. So Guess we're gonna go over, and now we're gonna eat that, I guess. So. Okay, so here we are at the table, and eating out of the microwave cooking book from Kenmore. We have this, the mustard topped cauliflower. So we're gonna try that now. See what that's like. I'll be honest, I really don't want to try this. It smells really bad. Yeah, I'm not really looking forward to this in any way. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, that's not very good. It's yeah, that's just like really not good. Honestly, that's like actually so bad. Yeah, that's just really gross. It's not making me gag immediately. Like the smell is overpowering right now, but yeah, I can't even. No, I can't. No, I can't do another bite. Yeah, that's really fucking gross. Yeah, if I were to rate the if I were to rate the mustard top cauliflower, I would say do not make this at all, under any circumstances. I'm gonna try one more bite, just for curiosity's sake. I mean, maybe sometimes things get a little bit better, but on your second bite, maybe it's like more of an acquired taste. This little mustard is just so gross in there. I just don't know what the mustard's doing in there. It's like, it cuts through everything. And I feel like I didn't even use that much. Okay, well, yeah, that's it. Don't make this.
Getting jiggy with it.